Hello, it's Viking 1, and I'm in Missouri Valley, Iowa. And I walked here from Council Bluffs, Iowa. It was a brutal walk, very humid, hot outside. Anyways, I want to show you some of these antique tractors. So here we go. I got to flip the camera around. Minneapolis Moline, I guess, is the manufacturer. And I'm standing outside the fence at Wisecup's Farm Museum. And it is hot today still. It's about 7:30 p.m. The sun is bright. And that walk killed me. Carrying my backpack with water, some tools, change of clothes, my tarps. Anyways, I wanted to hop a train in Council Bluffs, and I tell you, I missed this train taking off by 90 seconds. Had to avoid the bull in the woods. Anyways, yeah, I find this stuff very interesting, these old tractors. There's an old church. I love that white fence right in front of these tractors. That is good scenery. It's not made out of wood that's painted, it's plastic, but it's got that white fence look. Very American. This one looks old. In the heartland, where America is fed. Boy, did I walk past some huge corn farms. I mean, huge. I thought the Cornhusker state had some big corn farms, but western Iowa, coming north of Council Bluffs, amazing. We've got some Iowa fans and Iowa State. And I tell you, I remember one year when the Buckeyes had a great football team. And Iowa Hawkeyes just manhandled us and beat us. I can't remember what year, but they beat us soundly that year. Anyways, look at that barn in the background. All right, it's Viking 1 in Missouri Valley, Iowa. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the heartland, in an agricultural area. Have a good day.